I'm Jesse Israel. I'm the founder of The Big Quiet, and we are here at Okeechobee Music Festival in Florida. Today, we're going to bring thousands of people together to host the first mass meditation on a main stage of a major U.S. music festival. We've hosted Big Quiets at places like the top of the World Trade Center, Madison Square Garden, Central Park, the San Francisco World's Fair. Why today is so special is because it's really the first time that a music festival has put their hand up and said, we want to try something different. And that other musicians, big musicians at this festival, headlining musicians, are saying, we want to be a part of this and create something that we all know is good for the attendees and will actually have a lasting impact on their lives and those around them. So we're really just excited to be a part of history in that way and to bring something good to Okeechobee.
My name is Sarah Nuefled. I'm taking part in The Big Quiet on the main stage pretty soon now, it's really exciting to be a part of. Not only the entire meditation ceremony and just to see how that's going to go down, but I co-wrote a piece with two of the local natives guys and Genevieve Varga, and it's been a lot of fun, and we just finished putting it together. And then later I will be on the main stage again with Arcade Fire. Meditation's been such an important thing, tool, resource, practice, spiritual focus for so long, but I think as it comes into the modern day-to-day sort of regular person's life, it can be incredibly useful, especially with so much distraction.
I traveled to Okeechobee from Australia. I definitely travel around and go to a lot of festivals, but I can't say that I've experienced what I think I'm about to experience here at Okeechobee, which is the Big Quiet. I'm excited to see what Arcade Fire and the violinists and all of the wonderful musicians up on stage are going to play for us to guide us through.
So together today, we are going to create a mass meditation. And for those of you that have never tried this before, it's one of the most simple yet profound things that we can share as humans. And we think it's so rad that Okeechobee has offered up the main stage to try this today.
So there's so many amazing scientific studies out there that proves the benefits of meditation, but for me personally, it's been probably the most life-changing and useful tool or practice that I've been working on developing for a number of years, and in the creative process, it's enormously helpful in terms of focus, concentration. And I don't know if I would be doing what I'm doing right now if I didn't have the basic mindfulness training and practice that I do.
If you're inclined, stand to your feet. We're gonna sing this out together. Let's move our bodies.
I think that meditation is super duper important in this day and age, but I also think that everyone is so different, and it's really important to find a way in which you can be calm and still, whether it's through moving meditation or sound meditation or being still.
Remembers all this is waking up.
Meditation is a practice that allows people to clear the gunk that blocks them from their heart, their mind, and their gut to really connect with who they are and why they're here.